An 84-year-old man in Shivamogga has been passionately working towards preserving his love for mangoes. An octogenarian, B.V. Subrao, has identified and preserved over 100 varieties of mangoes in his small backyard. His passion came due to his intense craze for mango pickles. B.V. Subrao visited around 16 villages of Western Ghats to collect the local varieties of Apmidi. Apmidi is a term for the mangoes used for pickle. He was felicitated with Award of Excellence for Innovative Farming at National Horticulture Fair 2021, held at Hesaraghatta in Bengaluru on February 8. He has travelled every nook and corner of Western Ghats over the last 12 years and visited more than 100 villages to source mango varieties from which Apmidis are made. I would visit villages almost on a daily basis, along with my wife searching for any Apmidi variety. He called his journey in a chat. Since I cannot climb trees, I would plead with someone to help. My wife would then make pickle out of them. If they were good, we would go back and get the scion from the tree for grafting. He said while pointing out that it used to take multiple visits to get single variety. Mr. Rao does not have a big space to grow these varieties, as all that he has is 1 acre of areca plantation from which he makes a living, and a house. I have developed a park around my house where Apmidi trees are grown. Due to space constraint, my wife has crafted 4 to 5 different varieties on each tree so that we can accommodate more plants in lesser space, he said. I have grown up eating Apmidis, which are very popular in Malanad region of Karnataka. But it is a sad thing that most of the mango varieties which are suitable for Apmidis are being lost. This prompted me to take up this conversation exercise, explained Mr. Rao. His collection of varieties includes some 10 rare and premium varieties. They have a distinct taste and aroma. Also, they have a shelf life ranging from 3 to 5 years, he pointed out. He doesn't do it for commercial purpose, as he gives away science free of cost to whoever shows interest in growing them. I want others to continue this exercise, said Mr. Rao. He also wants entrepreneurs to take up quality Apmidi making and exports. The Indian Institute of Horticulture Research honored Mr. Rao for his conservation efforts. Dr. K.V. Ravishankar, Principal Scientist at the IIHR's Division of Biotechnology and Basic Sciences, who identified Mr. Rao's work, along with Institute Director Dr. M.R. Dinesh, says the Institute has taken about 30 Apmidi varieties from him. In all, the Institute now has about 200 Apmidi varieties of mango. Of them, 4 to 5 varieties have premium characteristics and ideal for exporting, he says, observing that Apmidis offer a good potential for boosting rural economy if they are promoted as a cottage industry. He says the IIHR is ready to offer plants of these varieties for the interested entrepreneurs. News Desk Kaumudy, English.